Lorenzo Servidor Cantor. The objective for my arts integration project for math was to be able to model a real-world object transformation of the parent function of absolute value, square root, and quadratics. My language objective will be that we'll be able to analyze models and writing using the academic language of parent functions, quadratic square roots, and horizontal and vertical shifts, scale factors, vertical stretches, or compressions. And this, I'm going to describe to you guys the quadratic function. I did, for my quadratic function, I used a pair of headphones. The parent function represented in the quadratic function is fx equals x squared, or fx equals square x, fx equals x squared. The function is fx equals negative 1.9x squared 0.5. The scale factor is negative 1.9, which represents a vertical compression, and there's no horizontal shift, and the vertical shift down is of 0.5. Here's the picture I used where I'm able to show the how I moved the sliders to shape the stretch of the lines, and also to be able to find the function or formula that I just described to you guys. And here there is a really responsive absolute value function. This picture, I used one of my cameras. The picture shows an absolute value function because it shows a V-type shape or some triangle shape. The equation of the function is fx equals 1.3 x minus 0.1 minus negative 0.8. The horizontal shift is negative 0.1 units left. The vertical shift is negative 0.1 units down, and the function is reflected over the x-axis because it's a negative. The function has a vertical stretch of 1.3. The function is similar because it follows the same lines. And here's the picture I used where I'm able to find and move the sliders around to make the shape or the triangle or the V, like I explained. I had to play around with the sliders because this one was much easier, I meant to say, than the headphone one, since I had the lines are just straight and simple. This is a square root function. In this picture, I'm going to show a pocket chain, and the parent function is fx equals squared x. The transform function is fx equals 0.6 squared x plus 5.7 parentheses x plus 5.7. The scale factor is 0.6. The horizontal shift is 5.7 units to the left, and there's no vertical shift. And here's the picture I had to use for this square root function. This one had to be cut out because with the sliders I wasn't able to get a full picture of it, so I had to crop it a little bit because the line kept going above what it should be. But there's a function I used, and there's all the settings I had to get it to for it to be a certain way it is.
My name is Aiden Porras. My name is Aiden Porras. This is my Math 3 Unit 2 Arts Integration Project of Fall 2024. The objectives were content objectives and our language objective. These explained our main goal for this project. This slide is describing my written description of quadratic function.
Hello, how are you?
This is a screenshot of all the work I did for my quadratic function. This slide shows the written description of the absolute value function. This is a screenshot.
Hello, my name is Davina, and this is my Math 3 project, Unit 2 Arts Integration Project. Hello, my name is Davina, and this is my Math 3 Unit 2 Arts Integration Project. The objectives were to
recording?
Hello, my name is Davina and this is my Math 3 Unit 2 Arts Integration Project. Objectives. Content objective. I will be able to model real-world objects, the transformations of the current functions
Try to
of
talk loud
absolute values,
so
square
that
root,
it
and
covers up
quadratic.
that.
Language objective. I will be able to analyze my models in writing using the academic
I can go
language of
later.
parent functions, quadratic, square root, and horizontal and vertical shape, scale factor, vertical stretch, or convention. This is my written description of quadratic function. So my teacher wanted us to do 5 pictures that
Hello, my name is
like match up to
and
the quadratic
hello,
function
my name is Davina, and this is
of how it looks on the
project.
So
Unit 2
I did a
Arts
picture of the
Integration
swing, and then she wanted us to do the parent function, which is f of x equals x squared. And then the function is f
Hello,
of x equals x
my name is
squared,
Davina, and
and
this
this
is my math
is
3 Unit 2 Arts
which represents
Integration
a vertical compression. The horizontal shape
The
is
objectives were to
the vertical shape is -10. And this model is quite close to the picture.
hello, my name
Here
is Davina, and
is
this is my
the
math 3
quadratic
Unit 2
function.
Arts Integration
As you can
project.
see, I chose the swing and then
Objectives. Content.
I
I will be able
put
to
in
model
equation,
real-world objects
and I matched it all up
transformations
to
of
the
current
photo as
functions
close as I
of
could.
absolute value, square root, and quadratic. Language objective.
Next, I
I
did
will
the
be able
absolute
to
value
analyze
function,
my
and here's my
models in writing
description.
using the academic language of parent
So,
functions,
this is a
quadratic,
picture of
square root,
everything
and horizontal and
in
vertical shape,
playground.
scale factor.
Parent function represents the absolute value function of
This is my
equals
written description of
x
quadratic
minus
function. So, my
the
teacher
function
wanted
is
us
f
to
of
do
x
5
equals
pictures
-3.
that like
It's
match
minus
up to
15 plus
the
1.
quadratic.
The horizontal shape is 1.
That's
The
how it
vertical
looks
shape
on
is
the
1.
So,
The function
I
doesn't
did a
really
picture of
quite
the
match
swing,
up to
and
my
she wanted
picture,
us to
but
do
it's
right.
kind of similar.
Function,
So
which
here
f of
is
x
my
equals x
screenshot of it.
and then the function is f of x equals x.
Next, I did the square root
And
function.
square
Here's my
function
written description.
which represents a vertical compression. The horizontal shape
This
is
picture shows a piece of it.
the vertical shape is -10.
The parent function
And
represents
this model is
is
quite
the square
close to
root
the
function
picture.
as f
Here
of x
is
equals
the quadratic function. As you can
the
see,
transformative function
this
is
is
f
swing,
of x equals
and
1.6
I
x plus 1
put in
square
square
factor is 1.
and then matched it all
Because
up
f
to
of
the
x is
photo.
equals
As close as I
1.2.
could.
The vertical shape of the point is not always close to the picture,
Next,
but it is an
absolute value
exactly
function.
match
Here's
up.
my written description.
Screenshot
So,
square function.
this is a picture of everything in the playground. Parent function represented is the absolute
So,
value function of f of x equals
I messed
zero.
up a bit
That's
for
the
my picture. It's not a
The
camel
function
body,
is
but
f of x
it
equals
is a tree
-2.
branch, as you can see. So I did mess up a lot, but it's okay. But
The
here
vertical
is
shape
the
1
screenshot of the square root
Vertical
function.
shape is 1 point. The function doesn't really quite match up to my picture, but it's kind of similar. So here
And
is
that's all.
my screenshot of it. Next, I did the square root function, and here's my written description. This picture shows a piece of a camera holder in my house. The parent function represented is the square root function as f of x equals. The transformative function is f(x) equals 1.4 square root x plus 1.8. The scale factor is 1.8. The horizontal shift is -1.2. The vertical shift is 1.8. This model is close to the picture, but it does not exactly match up. Screenshot the square root function. So I messed up a bit for my picture. It's not a candle holder, but it is a tree branch, as you can see. So I did mess up on that, but it's okay. But here is the screenshot of the square root function. And that's all. Thank you.
It's still recording.
Yeah. There's just one thing I kind of